I'm walking around this morning and I'm seriously like, it's kind of weird, but I'm like near tears just because it's so beautiful out. And Fontenelle Forest is kind of dear to my heart because my mom brought me here when I was young, and she really taught me how to see the beauty in the environment. You know, how to listen for the birds and notice the way the wind was blowing, and to give names to the things around me, even if I've forgotten all the names by the time I'm now 47. But the reason I find so much beauty in the world around me, and I'm so thankful for photography for allowing me to take pictures of it, right? It's my mom. I'm gonna do a whole video about my mom and how much she means to me. But I just wanted to throw that in there because it is a beautiful world, and I just, I'm thankful to have a mom that taught me that. I have a really pretty composition here with these two trees with some of these orangish leaves kind of wrapping around them, and you can take that and shoot that in a couple different ways. So you can shoot it straight on, get those beautiful colors and get the texture and all that stuff, but I also like to look around my environment and see if I can shoot through anything. So if I can shoot through other leaves, and sometimes it just adds a little bit of like drama, a little bit of you know, there's something a little bit darker in front, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Thankfully we're shooting digital, so I'm not spending like 20 bucks a shot like film. Now I'm getting a little bit closer to the tree, and I'm gonna use the 50 to 140 to get in close. I'm gonna use the yellows, the oranges, and then that blue in the sky to try to create some cool compositions. And I'm trying to give the viewer like one leaf to go to and something that they could kind of hook into and look at. If there's too much chaos, sometimes the viewer doesn't know where to look, right? The person looking at your photos just looks all over and they dismiss it. But if you give them something to hook into, they might stand, you know, they might look at it for like a half second more than usual, which is a win. That's a big win, right? In the world of scrolling and all that stuff. Why don't birds and you know, eagles and stuff do what we want them to do? There are two of them together, but they're so close together they just kind of look like they're one blob. So I'm trying to find an angle. I'm not great at the bird photography stuff. I'm trying to find a good angle to get these guys. Even if it's a silhouette, you can tell they're bald eagles, so that's kind of cool. I'm a total maniac in that I don't know much about nature, honestly. It's beautiful, but I know the sound of a chickadee because of my mom, I talked about earlier. So I heard the chickadee call, and I saw it, it was scoping me out. It was trying to get away from me. And so I got a couple shots of that beautiful little creature. So Mom, thanks for letting me know about chickadees. All right, so I hope everyone enjoyed. Before I go, I want to show you this tree that's someday gonna collapse, and every time I go under it, I imagine it's gonna fall on my head, and that'll be the end. But hey, I'd be doing what I love, right?